Welcome back. Already I have discussed about bubble sort and selection sort mechanism. Today I will discuss about insertion sort. It is a comparison based and simple sorting process. Every repetition of insertion sort removes an element from the input data, inserting it into the correct position in the already sorted list until no input elements remain. Here I have taken an integer array containing 5 elements. These are 93, 60, 65, 45 and 50. Here we directly start from second position, that is one index, because if a list contains only one item, then we think that it is already sorted. Insertion of next item will affect the list, and so we start to compare. If we insert second item then, and here at first these two elements will be compared, 93 and 60, and here 93 is greater than 60, so one interchange will be done. It is 60, it is 93, it is 65, it is 45 and it is 50. Okay, up to this position array is sorted. And it is unsorted. Again next item will be inserted, that is 65, and previous element of 65 is greater, so one interchange will be done. It will be 60, it will be 65, it will be 93, it will be 45 and 50, and previous element of 65 is smaller, so it will remain same. And now up to this position array is sorted. This is sorted and this is unsorted. Next 45 will be inserted, and previous element of 45 is greater, so interchange will be done here, two items. Then 60, it is 65, it will be 45, it will be 93, it will be 50. Previous element of 45 is greater 65, so again one interchange will be done. 60, it is 45, 65, 93, 50. This is the status of the array till now: 60, 45, 65, 93 and 50. Okay, again these elements will be interchanged because 60 is greater than 45, so one interchange will be done. It will be 45, it is 60, it is 65, sorry, it is 93, it is 50. Up to here array is sorted. Next item will be inserted, 50. This is last item in this array, and 93 is greater than 50, interchange 45, 60, 65, 50, sorry, 93. This is greater item again. 45, 60, 50, 65, 93. This is again greater item. 45, sorry, 45, it is 50, it is 60, 65, 93, and here 45 is less than 50, so array will remain same, and we have sorted the array. This is the function insertion sort, and it has two arguments, integer and one array, and another is size. Suppose the elements are 93, 93, it is 60, it is 65, 45, 50. Outer loop will be started. I equals to 1. I will point here. This is I. 1 less than equals to size minus 1. Size minus 1 is 4. Size is 5. 5 minus 1 equals to 4. X equals to ny, that is no1, 60. X is 60. For j equals to I minus 1, j will be 0. J will point this item 93. J greater than equals to 0, 0 greater than equals to 0, condition true, and noj greater than x. Noj means no0, no0 greater than x. No0 is 93, x is 60. So 93 greater than 60, condition will be true, and inner loop will be executed. And here noj plus 1 equals to noj. Noj plus 1, that means no1 equals to no0. No1 equals to no0. 93 will be shifted here. And noj equals to x. No0 equals to x. X means 60. 60 will come here. Two elements will be interchanged. 93 and 60. It will be 93. It will be 60. Then j minus minus, j will be minus 1. Minus 1 greater than 0, condition false. And so again I plus plus, I will be increased by 1, I will be 2. I is 2. I is pointing to here. This is I. X equals to ny, that means x will be no1, no2, that is 65. I will be 65, x will be 65. J equals to I minus 1, j will be 1. j is 1, I is 2, j is 1. 1 greater than equals to 0 condition true, and no1 greater than x. no1 is 93, 93 greater than x is 65. Again condition is true, and so interchange will be done using these two statements. And here 93 and 65 will be interchanged. It will be 93, it will be 65. J minus j will be 0. 0 greater than equals to 0 condition true, and no0 greater than x is 65, and no0 is 60 condition false. I plus plus, I will be 3, 3 less than equals to 4 condition true, x equals to no3. I is now pointing to this location. This is I is 3. I will point to this location. I is 3, 3 less than equals to 4 condition true, x equals to ny means 45. J equals to I minus 1, j is 2. 2 greater than equals to 0 condition true, and no2 greater than nox. X is 45 and no2 is 93. Again condition is true, and 2 and 3 these elements will be interchanged, 93 and 45. (93) and 45 will be interchanged. It is 93 and it is 45. J minus j will be 1. 1 greater than equals to 0 condition true, and no1 greater than x is 45, and no1 is 65. Again condition is true. Interchange 1 and 2, 65, 45. It will be 65, j minus j is 0. 0 greater than equals to 0 condition true, and no0 greater than x is 45, and no0 that is 60. 60 greater than 45 condition is true again. So again using these two statements, two items will be interchanged here, 60 and 45. 60 and 45. 45 will come here and 60 will go to next position. It is 60. J minus j will be minus 1. Minus 1 greater than equals to 0 condition false. And we have sorted up to this position. I plus plus, I will be 4. 4 less than equals to 4 last time. This is x equals to noi, that means I is 4. I is pointing to here, and so x will be 50. X will be 50. For j equals to I minus 1, j will be 4. J will be 4, and 4 greater than equals to 0 condition is true, and no4 greater than x is 50, and no4 noj j will be 3. I is 4 and j equals to I minus 1, so I will be 3, and NO3, that is 93, greater than X, it is 50. Condition is true, and so interchange will be done. 9350. J minus minus, j will be 2. 2 greater than equals to 0, condition true, and NO2 greater than X. NO2 is 65 and X is 50, condition is true again. So using these two statements, two elements will be interchanged. (65) and 50. It is 65 and it will be 60. Again, sorry, 50. Again, j minus minus, j will be 1. 1 greater than equals to 0, condition true, and NO1 greater than X. X is 50 and NO1, that is 60. Again the condition is true. Interchange 60 and 50. It is 60. J minus minus, j will be 0. 0 greater than equals to 0, condition is true, and NO0 greater than X. NO0 means 45 and X is 50. 45 greater than 50, condition is false, and so loop will be stopped. Again I plus plus, I will be 5. 5 less than equals to 4, condition is true, and entire loop will be stopped and array will be sorted. 45, 50, 60, 65 and 93. Here total comparison will be, first time only one comparison, second time two comparison, it will continue increasing by 1, and at last n minus 1 comparison. So it will be n into n minus 1 by 2, and it is big O n square. If array contains data in reverse order, array contains in descending order number, and if we want to sort it in ascending order, so time complexity will be big O n square. Observe how best case time complexity is big O n in case of insertion sort. Suppose array contains 60, 65, 90, 95 and 100. Each time this condition will be false, and if any one condition is false in this loop, then inner loop will be false every time. So only outer loop will execute, inner loop will be false every time. So only n comparisons, that is I will continue, so time complexity will be big O n. Okay, I am now executing this program using C language, and coding will be as follows. 20n 90 size, I j x equals to 1, I less than size minus 1, I less than equals to size minus 1, I plus plus x equals to NOI j equals to I minus 1 for you can keep this statement here. For j equals to I minus 1, j less than I, sorry, j greater than equals to 0 and NOJ greater than x j plus plus, sorry, j minus minus j plus 1 equals to NOJ equals to x. Save it and execute. Okay. Okay, array has been sorted for 20, 30, 48, 52, 58, 65, 75, 95, 96.